There are two methods of adding route waypoints. The first method is the automatic generation system, which calculates the route automatically. The second method is based on the use of the vehicle in play mode. In this case, you can normally drive the vehicle by generating waypoints. This is the method we will describe in this tutorial. Add the waypoint manager to the scene. Add a new racetrack waypoint instance. Instantiate the vehicle you want to use to create the path. Place it in the starting point and rotate it correctly. Drag the vehicle you just instanced into the waypoint manager. Click on Enable Manual Racetrack Waypoint Setup. Add the GVC canvas and the GVAI canvas to the scene. We are ready to create the path. Switch to play mode. You will have two choices while driving the vehicle. In the first case, you can choose to drive the vehicle making sure that it is always in the center of the track. In this case, you will have to use the path parameters to automatically calculate the trajectories that the vehicle will have to follow in the curves. In the second case, you can choose to drive the vehicle directly following the exact trajectories. In our tutorial, we choose the second case. Make a full circle in order to close the route. Then exit the play mode. In addition to generating the waypoints, the starting grid and the TV cameras at the edge of the track will also be generated. Two groups of waypoints will be generated. The waypoint speed that are used by the AI to establish the speed of the vehicle in the various parts of the track. Waypoints navigator that are used by the AI to determine the path that the vehicle must follow. Disable the manual setup by clicking on Disable Manual Racetrack Waypoint Setup. Remove the vehicle you used to generate the path. If you have chosen to follow the path in the center of the track, then you will have to have the automatic system calculate the trajectories by varying the path parameters. The main parameter is amplification. In our case, we leave that amplification parameter on 0, in this way the path is not modified. Position the elements of the starting grid more precisely. Now set up the vehicle you want to use. Select how many vehicles you want to instantiate. Select which elements will appear on the canvas. Select the waypoint manager that will be used by this vehicle. Establish the speed of this circuit and the speed and engine power of the opponent vehicles. You can decide whether to show the help arrows, the number of laps, and the current weather. It is possible to control the lights of the semaphore if present in the scene. To do so, drag the game object that contains the 5 game objects that are the lights of the semaphore. It is possible to instantiate vehicles with different colors. To do this, drag the materials of the vehicle but will have to change color. Then drag the driver and helmet materials. Now you can choose the possible colors that will be applied to the vehicles. The setup is finished, now you can activate the vehicle. Everything's ready. Thanks for watching.